Okay, honestly, I've never been a wig girly, but I tried Muse hair wigs last year and I got hooked. I learned a way to make it look extra natural. When I say lace wear, literally, lace wear. Yeah, I actually mean it. I'm not trying to be shady, but yes. Muse hair wigs. The hair comes already colored, the quality is amazing, and it barely sheds. Let me show you my natural install. It's nothing new on the block, but I figured I'd share because I just learned about it and it's been a huge help while I grow out my pixie cut. I asked my dad to act like the delivery man. He's so cute. But on a serious note, shipping was fast and easy. Love the Muse hair packaging. Kaya Wright, that's the woman behind the wigs. This is my second Muse wig, and don't tell Kaya, but I do everything in the first one, including going to the gym, but it still looks brand new. Yes, look at that bounce, look at that sway. Okay, I'm excited for this one. And there's the lace, if you're interested in keeping the lace, but I'm gonna cut it off. I also love the kinky texture of the wig. It's thick without it being too thick to where it looks unnatural, but if that's not your thing, at Muse Hair, you can get different textures when it comes to your wig. As I mentioned, I'm growing out my pixie cut, so the wigs have been super convenient. I leave just enough hair for the leave out because I still want to protect my hair. And instead of braiding straight back, I do my braids down to the side. In my opinion, it gives a flatter effect. Oh, I'm looking like a chicken head. Breathe, girl. It's okay. It's just the internet. Okay, I cut off as much lace as possible without cutting into the main strands of the hair. Once I put the wig on, I use Muse Hair's French pins to secure it around the perimeter. Voila, parfait. I grab a blow dryer to make sure the part is clear and the hair is flat at the top. Beyonce concert ambiance. You want to make sure the hair lays as flat as possible at the top and you can see the part. Next, I grab some lace bond adhesive spray. I only spray a tiny bit, one, because I don't want it to get on my real hair and it's a ton of chemicals and stuff, but I spray it directly in the middle of my part, just a little bit to get it tacky. Put some heat on it, press it down, and there we go. It's already giving effortless, natural. I love it. We love a natural look. I grab scissors or a razor to shape my face to help my natural hair blend more with the wig. I grab a hair wax stick, put some on my hand, rub it on the top of my hair just to get any flyaways. Luckily with this wig, there aren't many. And now we're pressing it out bone straight. Yes, I forgot my heat protectant spray. Need that for sure. And I know some of you ladies might be concerned about damaging your leave out. I'm not a professional. I would just suggest, like I said, leaving just a bit out, using heat protectant spray, and not pressing your hair out as much as you can. At another time, I'll show you some super cute heat-free styles with the wig. Yeah, she's finished. She did good, right? Muse hair wigs, ladies. Change your hair, change your life. They come in all different colors, styles, lengths. Get a girl.